Hi, I'm Krishnanta. I'm a food photographer and food stylist based in Hyderabad. Welcome to our home. Okay, starting with the living room, I wanted a very minimal living room. He's keeping the mic because primarily design mein I was involved and I was the one who was driving the entire design and he was beach mein giving me some suggestions. Told Infan that we'll go for a very minimal sort of a TV panel. So we have a grey back, nice high gloss panel with a very minimal, clean. Fun was able to get it executed exactly how I had it in mind, so that's great. Is completely into the aquarium. He's the one who takes care of the aquarium, and he wanted a custom table to be built for his aquarium. Very happy with how the living room turned out. It's exactly what we had in mind. The kitchen is actually my favorite of the entire house. It's exactly what I dreamt. I told Irfan several times, the entire team, that I'm very, very happy with how the kitchen has turned out. Wanted again a very beige, very minimal, very monochromatic sort of a kitchen. So all of the colors are pretty much similar, but there's still a lot of texture there. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. I also specifically requested for 2 open shelves in the kitchen. So if you see, so that I can decorate it the way that I like. So yeah, very happy with how the kitchen turned out. Going to the guest room, it's primarily a space where our parents come and stay. We wanted it to be very simple again. So there's a wardrobe with a mirror for our mothers to dress up. So it has also turned out to be a very nice and minimal space. Very happy with how things have turned out. Going to the master bedroom, this is also the only room that in wardrobes. We wanted this wardrobe to be a slightly higher end one. So we have the sliding wardrobes in this room, which was executed very neatly. So overall, what theme we had in mind is exactly how it has been translated. We also kept the colors of all wardrobes same. I did not want different colors in different rooms so that there's a theme across the house. So yeah, very happy with that wardrobe especially. It's one of our nicest wardrobes in the house and we should enjoy a nice one, no? The office room is my favorite room. Earlier, we used to have desks in separate in our previous house. I mean, now we have both our desks in the same room. So I wanted that space also to have a wardrobe that's completely customized to my needs. I'm a photographer, so I have a lot of equipment. So Irfan really helped me build a wardrobe that is completely made to my needs. And yeah, there's a lot of space for me to store everything that I own. Love that it was completely customized to what I do on a daily basis and the kind of stuff that I have. So we had some plywood that was left over from the project. We did not want to waste all of it. So the team came up with a solution. The seating for balcony. We love the space. We have our coffee here in the morning or in the evening. We enjoy our evenings there. So it's a great place to just, even when our friends come over, they like to use that seating. So yeah, it turned out a great way to use some leftover plywood. थोड़ा यूरोपियन हो गया है पूजा रूम बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद इट वी हैड टू मेक सम चेंजेस वाइल डिजाइनिंग द पूजा रूम but I'm very happy with the final output. It was Irfan's suggestion to actually go for fluted glass throughout, so it looks very seamless and nice and it blends with the rest of the house. So at the end of the project, built a custom bar plus crockery unit because I love crockery and I own a lot of crockery and we also host a lot of friends. We like to make drinks for them, so that's a space that we use to store our glassware, make drinks for our friends. We really like to host a lot. So yeah, we're really happy about how it came.
And more importantly, the prices that he quoted were pretty nice. It was
Yes, that too.
honest confession. It was like whatever my wife, from a design perspective, whatever she said, I think Irfan was able to deliver 99.9999%. So yes, the promised deadline, I think whatever Irfan promised about the deadline, he finished it before that. I think a week and a half before that. But that did not compromise the quality of the work. That is what I liked most about him. The timing was, he finished it way before the deadline. I think, if I'm not wrong, around 7 to 10 days before the deadline, keeping the quality absolutely intact. So that's something that is really commendable. Thank you so much, Dil Se Build, for all the effort, and I hope you guys keep growing.
Wishing you a lot of growth, a lot of success as you move forward. Teams Dil Se Build rocks. Thank you, Dil Se Build, for our dream home. He's the method to the madness.